Today I'm going to be regrouping using two different models. First, I will use the base 10 model to demonstrate a set model. The second model that I will use to represent the problem is a timeline. Second grade students learn to subtract using regrouping. Students will be able to identify the most effective method to add and subtract multi-digit whole numbers. Let's get started. My word problem is, for Christmas, Sally got 106 new Lego blocks. If she shares 68 of them with her older sister, how many does she have left? Well, I've already underlined the key numbers in this problem, 106 and 68. Next, we're going to identify what type of problem this is. How many does she have left? Well, by seeing the left and how many, we're going to realize that we need to subtract. We're going to subtract 106 minus 68. To do this, we are going to use first the base 10 model. So let's get our numbers out. I'm going to divide my board by hundreds, tens, and ones. So our numbers that are important are 106, minus 68. We have 100 Now, this 100 represents a flat. It is 100 units broken up. This is a rod. It represents 10 1 units. And the 1, which is 1 unit, represents 1 of 10 units and 1 of 100 units. So our first number that we're going to be doing is 106. You already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next number that we need to do is 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to count out, we already have our 6 rods. Now we're going to count out 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh, I'm already noticing an issue with this problem. We cannot take 8 from 6. So the first thing we're going to need to do is regroup this big 100 flat over here. So let's start. I'm going to replace this flat that we learned about last year with 10 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're going to come and put it up here in the tens place because we've just replaced this flat with 10 rods. Okay, so the first thing that I notice about this problem is that we're going to have to regroup once again. So I'm going to have to use this rod right here to make 10 individual units. So we're taking this rod and we're going to make 10 individual units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we finished our regrouping, we can subtract. because I am trying to subtract 8, we have our 8 right here. I'm going to now take 8 from the top. We're going to have our 1-to-1 correspondence so that we know which ones are going away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the top, we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next thing that we're going to do is subtract our 6 rods from the remainder of rods that we have left over. So we're going to use our 1-to-1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are now left with 1, 2, 3 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones units. So our answer to how many Legos Sally has left is 106 minus 68. 106 minus 68 equals, we have 3 10s and 8 ones. The answer is 38. The next thing that we're going to be doing is using a number line to represent this. Let's begin our number line. I'm going to begin my number line at 68. Because this is the number that we're subtracting. We're going to do 69, 70. From 70, I think I'm going to count by tens. So 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, and from 100, we have 6 left over because remember our number was 106. We're going to count to 6 units. This represents units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 106. In order to solve this problem, we're going to use our number line and count. So from 68 to 69, that's 1. 69 to 70, that's 2. From 70 to 80, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we know that 70 to 80 jump represents 10. So 80 to 90, that's an equal jump. That must represent 10 as well. 90 to 100, that represents 10 also. So from 100 to 101, that's 1 jump. 2 to 103, that's 3 jumps. 104, that's 4 jumps. 105, that's 5 jumps. And 106, that's 6 jumps. So now we know we have 6 units here and 2 units here. We are going to do 6 plus 2. What does 6 plus 2 equal? Well, we can always use our units. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So we know that we have 8 units. We also have 3 10s.